Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some cabbage rolls.
Fill an Instant Pot halfway with water and bring it to a boil. For the filling, grab a large bowl and add 1 egg, then whisk it, a pureed medium-sized onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a little mix, then add 1.5 cups of rice, and 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and a pound of ground turkey. Break the meat apart and mix everything until it's well combined. Now, add the cabbage to the pot. Make sure you remove the stem before you boil it. Set a timer for 7 minutes. When it's ready, run it under cold water to loosen the leaves. Peel off the first few layers of cabbage leaves and repeat the boiling process to get the next few layers. As you can see, it's still raw inside. Lay the leaves out and add a generous spoonful of the filling. With the stem facing you, roll it over the filling, fold in the sides and roll it away from you. Now for the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, add in a diced onion and 3 garlic cloves, then add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon powder, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it. Add some chopped up cooked cabbage, combine all the ingredients and put the sauce in a separate container. Time to cook the cabbage rolls. Put the rack inside the pot and place the bigger cabbage rolls on the bottom. Add a layer of sauce in between the layers of cabbage rolls, and then add another layer of sauce on the top. Now add a cup of hot water. Close the lid and pressure cook it on high for 15 minutes. It's done. Give it a quick release and bon appetit!